Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna go over some items that I got in a recent giveaway from Boscia. If you follow me on Instagram, I actually won one of their Instagram giveaways about a month and a half ago, and they sent me a ton of goodies that I figured I would share with you. This isn't really a bragging type of video, but it's more of showing you guys the products, talking about some skincare that I love, and I love this brand, and then also just giving you guys some insight on what happens when you do win a giveaway from a brand if this ever happens to you. I actually don't see enough videos about this around YouTube, so hopefully this will give you guys some idea of what happens between a consumer when you win a giveaway and talking with the brand and how that interaction type of works. So just to give you guys some background on the contest, it was super simple where they had posted their contest in their IG stories, and then you were able to comment on some of their recent posts and talk about your favorite products, and then they chose 2 winners to win a mystery box of goodies. I was very fortunate to be one of those winners, so I'm super excited to share these products with you today. So I'm going to start off with one of the first products that they sent me is the Makeup Breakup Cool Cleansing Oil. This actually does have a different package from the old one that they used to sell at Sephora. It came in like a white milky type of packaging. There's a travel size version that's for $10, and then you have the full size version that retails for $32. This has a lot of skincare benefits as well as removing your makeup. I tend to be able to use this one time and it removes all of the makeup from my face as well as hydrating the skin and making it super soft. It has rosehip, green tea, avocado, olive fruit oil, botanical amino acids, hydrangea, jojoba, and willow herbs. So all of that helps to calm the skin, help with inflammation. The hydrangea will help to purify and minimize the appearance of pores, which is actually interesting because normally you want to minimize your pores before you put on makeup, but it's cool that this is incorporated in a makeup cleansing oil as you're taking your makeup off, so you can kind of feel like you're getting benefits before and after depending on what your skincare is before you use this. This is the Cactus Water Moisturizer. This is actually my favorite product from Boscia. I've been purchasing their products for over 6 years now, and this is probably my favorite moisturizer ever. What I love about it is that it has Queen of the Night Cactus Succulent, African Resurrection Plant Infusion, which basically helps with the reduction of redness, textural irregularities, and revitalizing and rehydrating the skin. And then it has aloe vera flower extract. This retails for $38, and they recently came out with a jumbo version. It's one of my favorite moisturizers because it's a gel-like texture and it makes your skin like very, very tacky, which I personally like when I wear my makeup. I don't like wearing this on its own because it's tacky and it kind of feels like you can contract the dirt in the air. But if you're wearing makeup on top of this, it helps it last all day. As you can see, I don't really have a lot of like texture and my makeup looks very smooth. And although I do have these like fine lines and smile lines, I've had this makeup on for 4 hours and it still looks really good and really fresh, and I can honestly say this is one of the products that helped me with that. So next we're going to get into 3 different cleansers. One of them I did purchase on my own, and the other 2 were sent to me in the giveaway box. The first one is the Purifying Cleansing Gel. It retails for $28, and this one you can also use to remove your makeup. So you can use either the makeup cleansing oil or you can use this Purifying Cleansing Gel. And the main benefits that's highlighted on the website is botanical amino acids, hydrangea leaf, which is similar to the makeup remover. It has green tea, rosemary extract, jojoba, and willow herb. So they come in very similar packagings. At a glance, they look literally exactly the same except for the name. They also have the same amount of fluid ounces, and they generally have very similar ingredients. So I think it just depends on what you're trying to go for that day, whether you're focusing on removing your makeup or you're just doing something very simple in your skincare routine, whether it's day or night. I feel like they're interchangeable depending on the need, but it depends on what you're looking for. The second one I actually don't own anymore because it's something that I probably wouldn't use for my skin, so I did have to give it away. It's the Detoxifying Black Charcoal Cleanser, and that retails for $30. The reason why I gave it away is because that one's catered more to acne prone skin, and I have very normal skin, so I am a little bit oilier in the summer summer and a little bit drier in the winter. So it wasn't something that I felt beneficial for myself, so I had to give it away to someone that could probably use it. The next one is the cleanser that I actually purchased, which is one of their newer cleansers. It's the Cryosea Firming Icy-Cold Cleanser. This retails for $30 as well, and most of their cleansers are around this type of price point, which is easy for you to reference. Most of the skincare benefits is actually highlighted in the Cryosea formula, which includes red algae, menthol, sea kelp extract, and seawater, which helps to invigorate, tighten, and firm the skin, make it plump. And then it actually includes some AHAs, which, if you're unfamiliar with AHAs, those are alpha hydroxy acids that helps to resurface the skin. And this one is gentle enough for daily use for day and nighttime, and it helps with the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I will say I've tried this around 2 or 3 times already, and that menthol is strong. It's extremely strong. When you read the package and it says to avoid your eyes, like, please avoid your eyes, because it burns tremendously. So if I had to compare the cool cleansing oil to this, the menthol in this is significantly stronger than the cooling effect that you're going to get from the cool cleansing oil. Depending on your sensitivity, it may feel like it's burning. So if you do purchase this, please patch test this on your skin first before putting it on your entire face, because there may be some irritation because of the menthol in this product. Next is a toner, which is the Resurfacing Treatment Toner with apple cider vinegar. And I'm so excited that they sent this to me because I was this close to actually purchasing it for myself. What's cool about this and what attracted me to the product in general was that I'm really into AHAs, BHAs, and PHAs right now. So this has AHAs for glycolic acid, which obviously helps with dead skin cells, irregular pigmentation, age spots, enlarged pores. It also has BHAs, specifically salicylic acid. So if you do have some bacteria on your skin that creates acne for you, this helps with that. I did mention I don't have acne prone skin, but I also like some type of toner that helps with preventative measures or something that's antibacterial. So I like the salicylic acid to remove like the dirt and unclogging my pores and that type of thing. And then the apple cider vinegar is actually formulated with the alpha hydroxy acid to help with dead skin cells. There's vitamin C and other vitamins that are in this toner that helps produce collagen as well, and then reduces the appearance of wrinkles and helps with skin tones, and helps to even out your skin tone. So there's a lot going on in this toner, and all of that is for $28. Not that that's like your super selling point, but you can see why I would want to pair these two together, because they're talking about the same things of like AHAs, wrinkles, fine lines, more fine lines, even skin tones. We're talking about the same thing here. Next, we're gonna get into 2 different masks, and I'm gonna kind of talk about the newer one first, which is the Cactus Water Peel Off Mask. So this is one of their newer masks that came out not too long ago. It retails for $34, and it's part of that Cactus Water line. So the ingredients are very, very similar with the Queen of the Night Cactus. There's vitamin C in here and a peptide complex that helps with fine lines and wrinkles, and it helps to smooth and soften the skin. And one of the main, I guess, benefits of this is it's supposed to help with the appearance of age spots and hyperpigmentation. I don't have hyperpigmentation, and I've only used this mask once, and it did soften the skin a little bit, but it's not something that I feel like I would rave about because it's not really catered to normal skin. You can use this really for all skin types, but if you're looking for the drastic benefits that's mentioned in the ingredients list and on their website, then I'm not actually going to see those changes because I don't really have age spots or hyperpigmentation, if that makes sense. The next mask is one of their iconic masks. They actually just celebrated the 10th anniversary of this mask a couple of days ago, and it's the Luminizing Black Mask. It's the charcoal mask. It's the only black charcoal mask that they have. You've probably seen tons of YouTube videos or Instagram videos with people like literally peeling the mask off of their face, and then they're able to see like all of the stuff that's coming out of their pores. It does an amazing job of unclogging your pores. I've had tons and tons of these before, and I'm so happy they sent me another one because I was running low on the one that I had. And if I could recommend anything that I've shown so far, it would definitely be this mask as well as the Cactus Water Moisturizer. So we're getting down to the rest of the products. There's only 3 more left. Next is going to be the Triple Hyaluronic and Honeydew Moisture Boost Gel Eye Mask. You get 5 in this cute little green box, and this retails for $26. It has honeydew melon, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, which helps to plump and restore dull, tired looking eyes. If you have insomnia like I do, eye patches are your best friend. Maybe not for the brightening part all of the time, but being able to keep your under eyes hydrated is extremely important. It's the softest part of your skin. Please take care of it. I haven't tried these yet, but I'm super excited to kind of see how they work and see how it compares to some of the other eye masks that I've been loving. Next is actually a lip product that I've been seeing a lot of people rave about on the internet and all over social media for the last couple of months. It's their Cherry Blossom Resurfacing Lip Repair. I don't know how to pronounce that B word, which is why I skipped over it. But what's cool about it is that on the website, it's actually defined as a plant-based alternative for retinol, which I've actually never heard of before. This retails for $20, which is a little expensive. I would say this is a pretty thick lip repair. If you have tried the Laneige lip mask, think of that type of texture but in a tube. The only thing I would say is the applicator is a little weird. It's really long and it has these holes at the top and it's a little curved. It may fit your lip perfectly, like the curve of your lip, but I still think the holes itself and with the way that the product comes out just kind of reminds you of like a honeycomb or something that you poked a lot of holes in, and it just looks weird. Like I get it. I get it. I understand it, but the length of this didn't need to be that tall, and the holes I find unnecessary compared to other lip balms. I think it's fine. I don't think it's life-changing, but I will say that one of the best things about this product is that it has a lot of skincare benefits that a lot of other lip masks or lip balms may not have. So what's included is an AHA, which is lactic acid. There's cherry blossom in here, and a hydration ingredient blend which includes chamomile, jojoba, and cocoa seed butter. And there's also willow herb included as well. The last product is actually something that is fairly like neutral to me, where I'm not too excited and I'm not really negative about it either. It's their Rosewater Mist with Witch Hazel. It retails for $24. And the reason why I'm not super excited about it is because there's a lot of Rosewater Witch Hazel mist out there, so I don't really see the need to spend $24 on this, although people may just have their preferences. I'm also just not the type of girl that gravitates toward mist in general. I don't think I want to refresh the face during the day. I don't really find it as part of my skincare routine. I may spray a brush with it if I'm doing my makeup, but overall it's not something that I think I would reach for. For this video, I hope you guys enjoyed talking about some skincare products with me, and if you are interested in Boscia, please definitely check out their website. I will have all of the products listed down below. And if you're interested in talking about more skincare in the future, or if you would like to see my skincare routine, then please like this video, comment down below, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.